So welcome back on the video tutorial for book number 3, Redefining a Testing Automation Strategy for a PO with CodeceptJS and WordPress. The book is still available for sale, and I'm the author, Bruno Flavin. You have the code entirely available on my GitHub account. Here we go. We're going to go through and dive into especially the Gherkin feature. For those who don't know what is Gherkin, Gherkin is a very common language that is used to share your features and the expression of your user story if you're in Agile, to be sure that it's understood. And the fact that writing a Gherkin feature is also make it executable. And that's exactly what Codeception is about to do. And everything is very clearly and excellently explained inside the documentation. For our testing, we have a local domain install, okay, and we have also a website, and everything is working on MAMP. So in some previous tutorial, I was indicating how to install this local testing area. Okay, so we will be here. We've made the dry mode. We're going to try to execute. Just for sure again, I ensure that I'm on the correct here in my Sublime editor, the distribution of Codeception. Okay, and I want to be sure that I'm in the correct area at the same. And as you can see, this is still the same, so we have exactly the same tree, directory tree. So let's do the test. I'm launching this command. So this time launching this command will execute all the Gherkin that are here. You see, they're all here. So he's going to go through and he's going to use to translate this Gherkin all what is written in steps, which is invited or included or activated through this element inside the concept config. Okay, so let's do it. And what I'm going to show you is that I can interact with this definition. We're going to make a very simple, which is a Gherkin minimum vitam rule. So it's going through. Apparently the rule should be no errors. So it's very understandable for a PO, and it's a very PO-oriented mindset, as it's very intuitive. And so behind all this, you have all the definition in steps. So we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to change some of the elements. So I let the test finish. I think it should take around 10 seconds. So meaning that this Gherkin, I call it hand-to-hand suite, because it's making all the tests that are required for WordPress. But it means that if you write your own features, it will work for your own web application, leveraging on CodeceptJS. Okay, you got the point. This is what I've chosen. WordPress, because it's very intuitive. So it's done. There's almost 11 tests that have been passed. Okay, so this time we're going to redo the things, but we're going to change the steps. So for instance, take the basic feature. Here we go. We have here the two. Okay, this is the basic feature. So I think I can find this word. Okay, given I have install. Here we go. We have a string. So if we change the string, it's just the definition of done. I would say video demo. I want to be sure that it would show video demo and video demo, which is my definition of done. Let's say I have a criteria. I want to see the strings video demo. Okay, and so it will go through these steps and would say, okay, message I see given video demo, which is now for the moment this one. Okay, so I should see the change. That means that you can interact very easily, and if not even you that can make the test, but your developer can make changes. So you can make some convention between you and the developer to make the interpretation of the feature correct. So let's launch it. And as you can see, it has changed my definition of done, the requirement. I wanted to see video every time the test is running, okay? So the test is running again, but meanwhile, I'm going to undo what I've done before. That means that it's a very interesting abstraction that enables you to be much more understandable. Okay, so it's going through much more understandable as a PO towards your developer team, towards even the marketing, even anyone who has to deal as a PO. You have to deal with the features and you have to deliver value. Okay, so the idea is to have this common language. It's like speaking English with people with foreigners. I mean, this is a common language. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm doing it in English because it's the most common language on the internet. So we've seen these feature things, and I'm gonna go through my small list and see what we're gonna do. We're gonna test in the next video. We're gonna test the home page, and we want to link between WP plugin that I've been developed, which is named Conception Check Homepage, because I made a book on conception previously, so I'm reusing this plugin, and we're going to test it. We're going to link the back office and the front office. So, thank you for watching. Remember, all the explanation and all the code is available on my GitHub account. The book is available for sales. And thank you for watching again. See you.